Hello, investors. Welcome to the channel where I use technical analysis to find possible swing trades. Before we get started, I have to make it clear I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I discuss is for informational, educational, and entertainment purposes. The technical indicators I use are not accurate 100% of the time. Fundamentals of a company and macroeconomic factors can drive share price changes differently than we'd expect based on technical indicators. My goal here is to bring these companies to your attention so you can decide for yourself whether or not they're good investments for you. So please, if you plan on investing, do your own due diligence before purchasing shares in any company or consult with a financial advisor. Today, we're looking at a possible short opportunity with PepsiCo Inc., ticker symbol PEP. Pepsi is one of the largest and most well-known companies in the world. Trades all around the globe on all the different continents, and I think it needs a very little introduction. Taking a look at the annual chart, you see Pepsi's had a very nice run-up. Here it is peaked above all three major moving averages. We look at the RSI, you'll see it is well into the overbought zone and does appear to be pulling back a bit. Both stochastics are overbought and appear to have leveled off. The volume chart shows preponderance of green buying days, as you'd expect with that run up in share price, but there does seem to be a gradual decline in volume, and the MACD shows it has peaked and is falling back towards zero. Now, if we switch over to the fundamentals here, using E-Trade just for a very broad general overview of the fundamental statistics, I'm sure you'll be not surprised at all that all of these stats are outstanding. Pepsi is an excellent company. The debt to equity ratio shows it has quite a bit of debt though, which is a bit concerning, beating out 92% of its competitors. I should say it has more debt than 92% of its competitors. But the gross and operating margins are excellent, beating out 86% and 67% of its competitors, respectively. Earnings per share growth is actually below average, with 62% of other companies higher than Pepsi. One concerning thing I do see here is the payout ratio for the dividend. It pays a good dividend here at 2.63%, but a 95% payout ratio is higher than I'd expect on any company other than a REIT. And the return on equity is excellent. Shows that it is more efficient than 83% of its competitors. But the particularly interesting thing for our purposes when looking at Pepsi for a short is the PE ratio here at more than 40. It shows that it is greater than 93% of other companies in the industry. So all that said, I do think Pepsi is an excellent company, and I'd love to hold it long term, but not at this particular valuation. I think it could be due for a pullback in the near future. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And as always, if you got something out of this video, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to help out the channel. If you like these brief overviews of companies that might be good swing trades, or if you'd like to tell me what I got wrong, you can leave those comments below also. And if you'd like me to look at a particular company using the indicators I present here, mention that in the comment section below as well, and I'll try to get to it as soon as I can. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your investments.